Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get more marks in Betterment exams. First, let's talk about effective study planning. A well-structured plan is your roadmap to success. Begin by creating a detailed study schedule, allocating specific time slots for each subject. Prioritize your weaker areas, perhaps dedicating 60 to 90 minutes more per week to them. Setting realistic, achievable goals for each session will keep you motivated and on track, ensuring consistent progress towards your desired scores. Next, let's master active learning strategies. Don't just passively read, actively engage with your study material. Use techniques like active recall, where you test yourself without looking at notes and summarize key concepts in your own words. Practicing with past examination papers is crucial. Aim for at least 3 full papers per subject. Teaching concepts to a friend, or even explaining them aloud to yourself, can significantly deepen your understanding and retention, boosting your confidence. Now, let's prepare for exam day readiness. Your physical and mental state are just as important as your knowledge. Ensure you get adequate sleep, aiming for 7 to 8 hours nightly, especially in the week leading up to the exam. Eat a balanced meal beforehand to maintain focus and energy. Arriving at the exam venue at least 15 minutes early helps you settle in. Remember to read all instructions carefully before attempting any questions, which can prevent common errors. Finally, let's talk about reviewing and refining your techniques. After practice tests, analyze your performance to pinpoint specific weak spots. Don't shy away from seeking feedback on your answers. It provides valuable insights. Revise challenging topics using different learning resources, perhaps a new textbook or online tutorial to gain a fresh perspective. Most importantly, maintain a positive mindset and believe in your ability to improve. Consistent effort, even for just 30 minutes daily, yields significant results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.